In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install qBittorrent software on your Mac. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to open Safari browser, but it's fine if you are using any other browser. Then just go to google.com. Once you're there, just start typing qBittorrent and then hit return key of your keyboard. You will see the official qBittorrent software link is there. We just need to click here and very shortly it will be opened like this. This is the home page of qBittorrent. To download this, we just need to click here inside this download menu. I'm going to click here and very shortly we'll be in download page. We have to scroll down till we find the Mac version of qBit, and here you go. There are two options. One is qBittorrent. This is multiple DMG choice and nightly build. This is for the latest one, but this is latest stable release. This one is not stable, so I don't recommend to download or install this. Rather, just go there, click here, and very shortly you will be in this site. And here if you scroll down, you'll see there are different versions of qBittorrent software is there. I'm going to download the latest version, which is 5.0.5 or 5.0.4. Anything is fine. And this is the stats of this software, how many times it is downloaded. I'm going to download the latest one, which is 5.0.5. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will bring the download page, and here you will get the details of those versions, and there are a couple of versions are there. I'm going to choose the first version because it is downloaded highest number, so I'm going to click here and very shortly it will start downloading the software. You will see this type of link. Your download will start off shortly, and once it is downloaded successfully, then you can access that from your downloads folder. I'm going to minimize this thing because I don't need it anymore, and I'm going to access the downloads folder. So this is my downloads folder, and here I see the qBittorrent DMG file is there, which is the installer for Mac. To start the installation, just double click on top of it, and very shortly you will see this type of message: qBittorrent not opened. Apple could not verify this software. So it is showing like it can be malware that may harm your Mac or compromise your privacy. Some privacy issue is there. So what we need to do, we just need to press the done button and it will be gone. Now click on the Apple menu. It will bring this menu. From here, choose system settings. I'm going to click here and system settings window will be opened. Now scroll till you find this option, privacy and security. I'm going to click here and privacy and security related information will be right side. Now scroll almost at the end, and here you will find the software DMG all blocked to protect your Mac. We just need to click open anyway, and very shortly it will again ask us to confirm whether we are really want to open this or not. I'm going to open it, so I'm going to press this button open anyway, and then we need to put the password. I'm going to type the password for my Mac, and then I'm going to press the OK button, and that type of warning will be gone and the installation window will be now. Now what you need to do, we need to drag it and drop it inside this application folder. I'm going to drop it here so that the qBittorrent software will be installed. Once it is installed successfully, we can close this thing, and then we can also minimize this thing because we don't need it anymore. Now what we need to do, we don't need to close this thing because we need to do another modification. I'm going to click this spotlight search, and then I'm going to type qBittorrent. If I start typing qBittorrent, then you'll see that the application is there. But try one more time, try here now to open this application, and very shortly again we will get this type of similar message which we got before. So what we need to do, we need to press done button. Now inside this Apple menu, system settings and privacy security, we have to come here and we have to scroll down almost end. Here again we will see this type of block. We just need to click open anyway, and then again open anyway, and finally we need to type the password of our Mac. And once I type the password, we have to press OK button, and very shortly you will see the qBittorrent is opened. Now we can close this thing because we don't need the system settings, and here you go. So now the software is ready, and now we can start downloading torrent file from torrent file by using this qBittorrent, and that's it. In this way we can easily download and install qBittorrent software on our Mac.